What does Bodhisattva mean? Bodhisattva is a Sanskrit word, and it's very important in Buddhism. It is somebody who wants to bring an end to the sufferings and pain and problems of all the people throughout the world, throughout the universe, and wants to help them to attain a lasting happiness, lasting peace. And then he or she makes a decision, or you can say commits, to work towards that end. And in order to do that, would like to develop or awaken your own wisdom, compassion, and all kind of positive actions, and also at the same time work for the benefit of other people. So if there is anyone like that, whether that person is a man or a woman or animal or bird or fish or anybody, any being, he or she could be called a bodhisattva. When Buddha, Siddhartha, when we talk about Buddha Siddhartha Shakyamuni, before he became Buddha, he is always referred to as a bodhisattva. And all his previous lives, when he was, training or working towards Buddhahood, towards helping lots of beings in different life forms, is called also a bodhisattva. All the Jataka stories in Buddhism, there is many Jataka stories. That is like the stories of the former lives of the Buddha. And sometimes he was born as a bird, sometimes a fish, sometimes an animal, sometimes a human being, man, woman, teachers, kings, ministers, businessmen, all different farmers, all different kind of lives. But every time he was very compassionate, very kind, trying to help people, trying to bring something benefit to the people around him. And then, after many lifetimes, he became Buddha, enlightened. So therefore, this aspiration of a bodhisattva is called bodhicitta. So in short, anybody who generates or who has bodhicitta can be called a bodhisattva. It is not easy to say who is a bodhisattva, who is not a bodhisattva. Sometimes, some people who does not look like a bodhisattva can be a great bodhisattva also. Sometimes who claim to be bodhisattva is not really a bodhisattva, because that is difficult to judge for us, but we can judge ourselves. So one of the main practice of the what we call the Mahayana Buddhism is the path or the ways of a bodhisattva. So try to become a bodhisattva and train step by step on that. That's the whole thing. That's the practice. Thank you.